Buongiorno everyone, and welcome back to Kodomo Kids. My name is Courtney, and this month, the whole month of June, we're enjoying some gelato in Italy. Come along with us. So this week, since it's our last week in Italy, I thought it might be nice to have a little tour of our favorite Italian foods. So we're going to learn some vocabulary and put it to some rhythms. So let's start with our appetizers. How about calamari fritti? Calamari fritti. That means fried calamari or fried squid. All right, so our rhythm is 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Can you try clapping that with me? A 1, a 2, uno, due, tre. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Great. Can you try stomping that with me? A 1, a 2, uno, due, tre. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Great job. Now let's put the words to the rhythm. Calamari fritti. Calamari fritti. Great. Now can you try clapping, stomping, and speaking the words in rhythm along with me? All right, let's give it a try. A 1, a 2, uno, due, tre. Calamari fritti. Calamari fritti. Great job. How about zuppa toscana? Can you say that after me? Zuppa toscana. Great. And that means soup from a certain region of Italy called Tuscany. All right, so our rhythm would be 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Great. Can you stomp that rhythm with me? Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Great. Can you stomp, clap, and say the words together? It will look and sound like this. Ready? Watch me. Zuppa toscana. Zuppa toscana. All right, are you ready to try? A 1, a 2, uno, due, tre. Zuppa toscana. Zuppa toscana. Can we add that on from calamari fritti? Calamari fritti. Zuppa toscana. Zuppa toscana. Can you try all of that from the top? Let's try it. A 1, a 2, uno, due, tre. Calamari fritti. Calamari fritti. Zuppa toscana. Zuppa toscana. Great job. Let's learn one more appetizer together. How about focaccia and prosciutto? Good. Can you repeat those after me? Focaccia, prosciutto. Great. So focaccia is a type of bread and prosciutto is a type of ham that is eaten before a meal. They both have the same rhythm. It sounds like this. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Can you try clapping that rhythm and stomping your feet with that rhythm? Let's try it. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Very good. Now let's add the words. Focaccia, prosciutto. Focaccia, prosciutto. Great. Should we try adding that on from the top? So we start with, Does anybody remember? That's right. Calamari fritti. Calamari fritti. Then we move to, remember? Zuppa toscana. Zuppa toscana. And finally we have focaccia prosciutto. Focaccia prosciutto. Can we try all of that from the top with me? A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. Calamari fritti. Calamari fritti. Zuppa toscana. Zuppa toscana. Focaccia prosciutto. Focaccia prosciutto. Great job, everyone. Let's move on to the entrees, or the main dishes in Italy. So first we start with spaghetti carbonara. Can you say that after me? Spaghetti carbonara. Great. So our rhythm is 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. Can you try clapping that with me? A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. Good. Can you try stomping with me? Ready, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and. Great. So when we put the words to our rhythm, it sounds like this. Ready? Spaghetti carbonara. Spaghetti carbonara. Can you try that with me? A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. Spaghetti carbonara. Spaghetti carbonara. Very good. Let's move on to pizza pomodoro. Can you say that after me? Pizza, pomodoro. Great. And that means pizza with tomatoes. Yes, pomodoro means tomato. So it's going to have this rhythm. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. Can you try clapping, stomping, and saying that rhythm? Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. Great. So with the words, it sounds like this. Pizza pomodoro. Pizza pomodoro. Can you try that with me? A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. Pizza pomodoro. Pizza pomodoro. Great. Can we try adding that on from the top of our entrees? Do you remember the entrees? The first entree was, that's right. Spaghetti carbonara. Spaghetti carbonara. Pizza pomodoro. Pizza pomodoro. Great, can you try that with me? From the top. A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. Spaghetti carbonara. Spaghetti carbonara. Pizza pomodoro. Pizza pomodoro. Great job! Okay, let's move on to my favorite entree, penne all'arrabbiata. Can you say that after me? Penne all'arrabbiata. Good. And that actually means angry penne or angry pasta because it's kind of a spicy pasta. All right, so our rhythm is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Can you try clapping that with me? Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Can you try stomping that with me? Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Good. So with the words, the rhythm sounds like this. Ready? Penne alla arrabbiata, penne alla arrabbiata. Can you try that with me? A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. Penne alla arrabbiata, penne alla arrabbiata. Great job! Ooh, can we add that on to our list of entrees? Let's remember, it starts with spaghetti carbonara, spaghetti carbonara. And what comes after that? That's right. Pizza pomodoro, pizza pomodoro. How about after that? My favorite, penne alla arrabbiata, penne alla arrabbiata. Great, let's try it all the way from the top of our entrees. A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. Spaghetti carbonara, spaghetti carbonara, pizza pomodoro, pizza pomodoro, penne alla arrabbiata, penne alla arrabbiata. Great job, everyone! Now, before we say ciao, we can't leave Italy without our famous Italian desserts. How about tiramisu? Can you say that after me? Tiramisu. Tiramisu. Very good. Tiramisu is a delicious dessert where it's lady fingers like cake soaked in espresso or coffee. All right, so our rhythm of tiramisu is this. 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and. Good, so did you hear those rests in there? That's right. 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and. Rest, rest. Good. Let's try clapping that rhythm together. Ready? 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and. Let's try stomping it together. Ready? Go. 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and. Good job. So now adding the word tiramisu to our rhythm sounds and looks like this. Ready? Tiramisu, tiramisu. Can you try that with me? A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. Tiramisu, tiramisu. Very good. Our next dessert is panna cotta. Can you say that after me? Panna cotta. So panna cotta means cooked cream. And our rhythm is a little bit funky on this one. It's 1 and 3, 4. 1 and 3, 4. That's right, so we have a longer first note. 1 and 3, 4. 1 and 3, 4. Very good. Can you try stomping that rhythm? Here we go. 1 and 3, 4. 1 and 3, 4. Tricky, huh? Can you try clapping and stomping the rhythm together? Ready, go. 1 and 3, 4. 1 and 3, 4. Good. So when we add the words to our rhythm, it looks and sounds like this. Ready? Panna cotta, panna cotta. Can you try that with me? A 1, a 2, 1, 2, 3. Panna cotta, panna cotta. Good. Can we try adding that on from the top of our desserts? So we start with tiramisu, tiramisu. Panna cotta, panna cotta. let's try that together. Ready? A one, a two, uno, due, tre. Tiramisu, tiramisu. Panna cotta, panna cotta. Very good. Now just our final dessert, which is very fitting for the theme of June. It's cafe gelato. That's right. Cafe gelato. And cafe gelato is coffee ice cream. All right. So our rhythm is 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Can you try that with me? 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Good. Can you try stepping it with me? Ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. So when we add the words, it looks and sounds like this. Ready? Cafe gelato, cafe gelato. Can you try that with me? A one, a two, uno, due, tre. Cafe gelato, cafe gelato. Whew! Can we add that on from the top of our list of desserts? So we start with tiramisu, tiramisu. And then we move to panna cotta, panna cotta. And then finally, cafe gelato, cafe gelato. Can we try all of that from the top of our desserts? A one, a two, uno, due, tre. Tiramisu, tiramisu. Panna cotta, panna cotta. Cafe gelato, cafe gelato. Fabulous! Wonderful job! Bravo! Thanks so much for tuning in this week and all of our weeks in June. Join us again next month for a whole new adventure in July. Ciao!